think that it's really crucial when advisors or agents are going down this path of collaborative work that they be prepared. Now, be prepared means have two documents ready. One would be a confidentiality agreement, and the other one a joint work agreement. A confidentiality agreement protects the integrity and the privacy of the client and their files. And a joint work agreement really protects yourself and the other advisor with whom you're working. It describes the ownership of the client, how commissions will be split, what happens with future sales, and so on. And then that way, everything is in black and white and consensual before the case has even started. No room for mistakes, no room for commission amnesia.